Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use today learn here very important sheet metal command is discussed here. First is flange and second is hem. Okay guys, today discuss here CATIA lectures 81 and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands. Learn easily one by one and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today very important command sheet metal 3D commands is learn here. First is flange and second is hem. Okay, at first open a CATIA software and then use a okay this is a new mechanical design and generative sheet metal design. Okay, click okay. This is our CATIA software interface and all 3D commands is not active. At first draw any drawing here. Okay, any draw a center rectangle. Okay, mention any dimension is a and height. Okay, this is a 130 and this is a 95. Okay, and exit. Okay, exit, but this sheet metal parameters is click here and then all is 3D command is active. Okay, and sheet metal parameters is a default value is setting here. Thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm. Already a default value is setting here and click OK. Then all 3D commands is active. Okay, at first open a wall and this is click here and the thickness is created here and a wall is generated here. Okay, and at first use a flange, click here and this edge line is click here and this is a preview is showing here. Okay, and direction is reverse. Okay, and length is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a correct length is increase and decrease. Okay, and angle is 90 and 60 degree also change here. Okay, preview is showing here. This is a this is a change here. Okay, this is a 90 degree. Okay, double click here and and radius increase and decrease. Okay, this radius is increase and decrease and this value is also length type is a very important. First length type is a standard length type, second is a inner length type, third is a outer length type, and fourth is a extrapolated length type. Okay, this is a length type is a this distance between this top and this is a this line. Okay, and this length is inner length is a top and this face is distance between, and this length is outer length is a this top and this bottom. Okay, and this is a extrapolated length is discussed here. And this is a angle is a first is inner angle type and this is a outer angle type. You can see here choice on. Okay, no problem. And this is a trim support. Okay, this trim support some face is delete here and this is a this face is delete here. Okay, and trim is and some use a flange plane. Okay, and this plane is a any select a plane. Okay, this is a this plane is select here and this is a correct. Okay, this is a okay, all is a delete here, and this is a plane parallel to plane is flange is discuss, flange is so here, okay, and okay, okay, and guys, high length is increase and angle is also increase and decrease, and radius is also increase and decrease, and trim point support is discussed here, and flange plane is also discussed here, redirection is also change here, okay. Some important point is other point is re limited, okay, this is a correct, and correct is a this point is a first point is this, and second point is this, okay, this is a correct. And also draw okay, this is a correct, this body, okay, okay, okay guys, this is a okay, this is correct, okay. And next point is a hem, okay, click here, and hem is also click here, hem definition is pop up, and length is a this is a correct, okay, this body is direction is increase and decrease, length is also increase and decrease, radius is also increase and decrease, okay, this is a correct. And trim support is body is a trim here, okay, this is a trim, but some point is a discuss, okay, trim, okay, all point is a correct, the hem is also very easily and very easy learn here, okay, this is a correct, okay, this body is correct, and this body is also height is increase, okay, okay, this is a correct, okay, okay, red is a not, okay, this is a perfect, this is a perfect body. And material is select here, okay, metal is a steel, okay, this is a correct, and okay, this is a very important, and okay, this point is a discuss here, and some point is a okay, this is a perfect body, okay, okay, this is a perfect, okay, apply here, okay, and this is a perfect. Isometric view is drawing here, this body is a, and okay, this is a perfect, okay, zoom in, and this is a correct. And plane is also hide, this plane is also hide, no problem, okay, this is perfect, okay. Isometric view is showing here, and okay, this is a perfect showing here, and zoom out, this is a correct. Okay, this body is perfect, okay, 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 this body is also, you can see here, this is a correct, okay, Okay, this body is also correct, you can see here. And okay, this body is also okay. Okay, 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 guys. I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. Guys, any doubt this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.